What's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, I'm Sheetal. I make beauty and lifestyle related videos on YouTube. So if you're new here and you like what you have watched so far on my channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And I know I didn't post any video on last Sunday because I was feeling a little under the weather because of the whole COVID situation going on. But now I'm feeling a little better and I'm shooting again. So yeah, I'll be posting back to back YouTube videos now. So stay tuned for that. And now let's move on to today's video. So as you must have read the title already, so we are going to talk about few common myths about shaving. So a lot of you girls DM me on Instagram asking you shave your face, so does your hair grows back thicker? Do you get more hair after shaving? Do you feel like your skin has darkened because of shaving? So yeah, I'm gonna bust all these myths in today's video. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's talk about the first myth. So the first myth is hair grows in number after shaving. So that's totally wrong. That's not really true. So the number of follicles that is there on your body, on your scalp, on your face is decided genetically. So no matter what kind of hair removal procedure you prefer, the number of hair follicles on your body is gonna stay the same like lifelong. So yeah, shaving does not really increase the number of hair on your body. So that's a like big myth. So get it out of your head. Okay, so now let's move on to the second myth. And the second and most common myth is that your hair grows back thicker after shaving. So that's again a myth. It's not really true. So what happens is when we shave our body, we are just taking off the upper part of the hair. We are not really pulling the head out of the follicle. So that's why when the hair grows back, we just feel that it is little rough, but it does not happen like that. The thickness of your hair is again decided genetically. So no matter what you do, the thickness is gonna stay the same lifelong. So yeah, it just feels like that, but after some time the hair grows back normal. So yeah, like shaving particularly does not increase the thickness of your hair. So yeah, take that myth out of your mind again. Okay, so let's move on to the third myth, and the third myth is that shaving usually darkens your body or your face. So again, that's a myth that's totally wrong. Shaving does not darken your like body. So usually what happens if you do it in a wrong way, if you injure yourself while shaving, then you might get post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. But in general, if you do it nicely, nightly, like if you don't injure yourself, you're not gonna get your skin darkened because of shaving. So yeah, that's a huge myth again. Shaving does not makes your skin dark. But yeah, if you injure yourself, you might will get post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So it basically depends upon the way you are doing it and not like basically because of the shaving. So yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the fourth myth that is usually there about shaving. And the fourth myth is body becomes rough after shaving, or you get bumps after shaving. So again, it's not really a myth. It is actually true in some cases. So yeah, it depends upon the way you are doing it. So if you are doing it nicely and correctly, then you won't end up getting bumps on your body, or your body won't feel rough. But if you end up injuring yourself, of course you're gonna get bumps. Your body is gonna feel rough after that because of the injury. But yeah, if you want to avoid bumps, make sure that you're using warm water during like shaving. Don't shave on like dry skin. Make sure your the skin or the surface is warm, like wet with warm water. And also make sure that you're using some kind of gel or conditioner or shaving foam or anything to make the procedure easier. So yeah, make sure that you're using something at least to do not use the razor directly on your dry skin. It will end up giving you bumps only. Okay, so let's move on to the last myth, and the last myth is about face shaving. And the myth is that you get acne after shaving. So yeah, it might be true in only like 2 or 3 cases in 10,000 cases, you get acne after shaving, but it is not really true. If you do it again, if you do it in the right way, you won't end up getting acne on your face. Even I was afraid of getting acne first time I shaved my face. And if you want to see how I shaved my face the very first time, then I'll link it in the description box below. So yeah, go give it a watch. Okay, so coming back to the myth, no, you don't get acne after shaving. But if you have extremely sensitive skin, then make sure that you're doing it on some part of your face first. Try it out and then do it on the whole face. Also, make sure that you're not using a one single razor for like multiple times to shave your face. That will end up that will end up causing bacterial accumulation, and you'll get acne because of that. So yeah, make sure you're using it properly. You're using one razor only one or two times, so that will not end up like that way. You will not end up getting acne on your face. So yeah, guys, those were all the myths that are usually there about shaving. So yeah, usually, like, I personally prefer shaving my body and face because first thing is it saves a lot of time, it saves a lot of money. Also, you don't have to step out of your house for it because in current situation it is very important to stay inside only. So yeah, I usually prefer shaving only. And if you haven't tried shaving yet, then you can try it during this lockdown period. And yeah. Yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. And hit the notification button so every time I post a video, you will get notified. And also, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and take care of your family. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.